Some activities induce the sneeze. Tissue, cotton swab gently tickle the inside of our nostrils. Looking at a bright light. Some people have a reflex called the photic sneeze reflex, where looking at a bright light can induce sneezing. Sniffing spices. Sniffing strong spices like black pepper can sometimes trigger a sneeze. Breathing in cold air. Smelling essential oils. Some essential oils, like peppermint or eucalyptus, can induce sneezing. Blowing your nose. Blowing your nose can trigger a sneeze. Eating chocolate. Eating dark chocolate can induce sneezing.